Jeev jago, Jeev jago. Gaura Chandra bole, Jeev jago, Jeev jago. Gaura Chandra bole means Lord Chaitanya is calling to us, saying, please wake up. Kutta nidra jao maya, pisachi rakho de. How long will you sleep? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Too high. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vaji, Vaji Vabodhiyare, Shancharadita Hare. Can you hear this verse? The word samsara. Getting carried from one body to the next. Udiyarohile tumi adijaramare. Don't worry, we'll chant Hare Krishna in a second if you don't know the words. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I'm going and skipping a line. N-A-G-I, Shauri Maya. Try to get that. N-A-G-I, Shauri Maya. Nashi Barorahadi. I'm not just repeat. N-A-G-I, Shauri Maya. I brought the medicine. Nashi Barorahadi. Nash. To wipe out the disease. Here's the medicine. Harinam Mahamantra Lautu Nimari. Harinam is the medicine. And you have to beg for it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama